Hi friends! Happy New Year and I hope you are having a good time. If you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Let's start our Valentine's first episode. Super excited to share with you this Valentine's home decor using or recycling my Christmas decor. Yeah, so don't pack your Christmas decor yet. You might use it on Valentine's DIY. So let's get started. For this DIY, I will be recycling this sign that I made using the jar from Dollar Tree. I removed the burlap and the ribbon and also the greeneries so that it will be easier to work on the other side of the jar. We will be using this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. It was 4 for $1. I flipped it and traced the jar and cut it. Then I attached the scrapbook paper using the stick glue. Then I use this sunblock to sand the edges. Make sure you sand it sideways and away from you, not towards you. We will be using the wood letters that I've got from Dollar Tree. I will put the word XO. You can put any word that you like. And I will be painting my letters with this Waverly chalk paint called the Ballet Slipper. For the lid of the jar, I will be using this burlap ribbon that I've got from Dollar Tree. I just hot glue it around the jar. I went to Joann's and grabbed this ribbon. It was 70% off because it was a Christmas clearance. Yeah, so if you want to get a lot of Christmas stuff, do it now because they are on clearance. And here you can stop right here, but for me, I will use this white acrylic paint and this brush. I will distress the word XO. And do not worry if you put too much white, just go back with the ballet slipper chalk paint. Tada! Here is our DIY. I really love how it turned out, and this is also perfect for a tier tray. Yeah, so let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project. And also this video is a collaboration with my friend Lisa. I will link her channel on the description box below. For sure you're gonna love her. She's making a lot of Dollar Tree farmhouse home decor and they are very beautiful and detailed DIYs. So make sure to check her out. For this DIY, I will be using this shadow box. This is also from Dollar Tree. And I just ripped off the Merry Christmas but I could have also flipped this over to use the back side of the board, and it looks like this. Looks like brand new shadow box. Then I made this printable. You can check the description box below and you can also use it for free. I just traced the back side of the shadow box and cut it. I just used the standard paper. So I grab a cardstock to double it so that it will protect from the bubbles. Then I just attach it together using the glue stick. And also I attach it at the back of the board and put it on the shadow box. This is also optional. You can just stop right here and you're done with this project. But I sanded the side of the shadow box to give it farmhouse look. And you can stop right here. But I will remove the beads and paint it with the white and the ballet slipper chalk Waverly chalk paint. And there are 8 beads. 4 will be painted the pink and the other 4 will be painted white. Once it is dried, I put it back on the twine, and it's easier to put the beads on the twine if you tape the end of the twine like this. Then I just put it back on the shadow box. I just put it on the back of the shadow box with the original staples because I loosened them earlier. I want the beads to stand up, so I cut the tip of the skewer stick and hot glue it inside the beads and glued it on the shadow box like this. After painting the beads, I decided to use the ballet slipper Waverly chalk paint to distress the board, and I sand it down to blend it. Then you are done with this DIY. This size is also good for a tiered tray. Yeah, so let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project. I think it's very cute. I really love how it turned out. For this DIY, we will be recycling this Let It Snow sign. I also made this for my Christmas decor. And I just removed the Christmas tree and painted the sides of the shadow box using my white acrylic paint, and it looks like this. I did not paint it all the way because it will be, or I will be covering it with scrapbook paper that I got from Joann's. I traced the shadow box on the scrapbook and just cut it. I really like this scrapbook paper because it's like ombre, and here I did not cut it so well, so I used the back of the pencil to push it down, then cut it again, and I finally Got it. And I will use the stick glue to attach it on the shadow box. Then after that, I will make a heart shape using a burlap. I cut a heart shape, and if you are not comfortable on cutting heart shape, you can just trace some of the heart shape that you have. And tada! Here is our heart. I will remove some of the strands to give it a cute effect. And to avoid it from fraying, I will use Mod Podge and apply it using my finger so I have more control over how I apply it. Then I just realized I need to attach it on the shadow box before it dries because I will attach the whole heart shape with the Mod Podge. And it will dry. I dried it off like 30 minutes to 1 hour. I have these wall stickers that says faith, hope, love, but I will just be using the word love, and I just attach it on the shadow box. After that, I'm not happy with the side of the shadow box, so I grab a twine and just hot glue it on the side of the shadow box. And also I use the lighter to remove some of the fuzzy parts of the twine. Then I will be adding more words using this black stickers from Dollar Tree. I will do the love is kind, one of my favorite Bible verse. It's on the 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4 to 8. Love is patient, love is kind. Love does not envy, does not boast, it is not pride, and so on. Then for more details, I add this buffalo check bow and a twine bow, and you're done with this DIY. I really love how it turned out. It's really good for a farmhouse decor. For this DIY, we will be using this red truck ornament from Walmart. I used this ornament on my tree this year, and I just removed the small Christmas tree from the back of the truck, and I also cut a small floral foam and hot glue it in the back of the truck. For the floral arrangement, we will be using this foam heart, this red rose, and these are Christmas picks that I got from Joann's, and this is also from Joann's, the white flower. And here how I arrange all the flowers. Here how I arrange it. Now I will put some red accent on the truck, using this Christmas picks. These are small bells, the one that's on this Christmas picks, and it's really a cute, a very cute additional on this floral arrangement. And again, this project is also good for a tiered tray. To add more details, I made the simple bow using this ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I added it on the stick of the foam heart. For the final touch, I will be adding this heart bling stickers from Dollar Tree and put it on the truck. And tada! You are done with this DIY. I love everything, but this is my favorite. I'm so in love with this little red truck. Yeah, so let me know on the comment below what's your favorite. And again, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. It will help my channel to grow more. And if you were not subscribed yet, please subscribe and let me know on the comment below what do you think of these DIY. Thank you so much, guys.